Sanibonani, uDumisani futhi and welcome to Timeline Radio Sports. Ngihamba nomngani wami la uMQ Manqoba. Unqoba izitha. Ngiyabona all smiles. Ne. Okay, sikugame yeSundowns neTS Galaxy bafethu. Angazi Manqoba uthini mfaka baba yazi into ekhona la engibonayo ukuthi bathi paper 2 kahle. So sibuyile, it was iTS Galaxy bodlala nayo and then manje nakho usenzela umhlolo manje usibonisa uMagic kwenzakalana usichazele mfaka baba.
First of all nje let me give credit to coach Cardoso ne technical team yethu lapha ya iMamelodi Sundowns. Hayi lo nation azi Moffat Sundowns awukho safe. Yeah. So siphinde sibonge nje nabafowethu lapha yana ukuthi bafika ngaso sonke isikhathi basisupport. Ngibonile namhlanje nje bebawafakile amajezi ayethu. Ngiyabona ukuthi sipreparela nje umdlalo omkhulu ukuthi sobe sodlala weekend. Going to the game man, going to the game angazi ngicale ngithini. Otherwise I'm disappointed nje ngoPeter Shalulile. Ya mfowethu bengicabanga ukuthi bekufuzeke nje usirephele igame nge-first half. Nge-first half.
Okay, one thing ngathini asiqale sibheke iTS Galaxy. What went wrong from first game le bayiwinile to this game before mhlambe singafocus kwiSundowns since vele hayi bathi bekuyi-wholesale or bekuyi-jumbo wholesale angazi.
Going to iTS Galaxy mfethu ngicabanga ukuthi in terms of depth abafowethu bakwazi bebakhona bakwazile ukuyisebenzisa nama opportunity. Ngicabanga ukuthi after ukuthi ba concede kulapho khona ukuthi bathole i-wake up call khona amafowethu bese bakwazi ngiyacabanga ukuthi bese bakwazi ukuthi nabo badlale in terms of ngama department njengoba ukuthi nabo abantu ukuthi sijwayele ngaso sonke isikhathi mabadlala nje e-groundini lapho i-ground labo limnandi kakhulu, so bayakwazi ukudlala ibhola. So njengoba bengisho ukuthi after nje bathole nje ama-goal lawa u2 ukuthi bawaconsider kulapho khona ukuthi bathole i-wake up call khona bakwazi ukudlala. But then ngicabanga ukuthi all in all nje basuke ngokubona kwami basuke balimazwa i-red card. I-red card ibalimaze kakhulu because that's whereby lapho khona ukuthi thina bese si-add inamba kakhulu eboxini lapho khona bese sikwazi ukuba dangerous kakhona. Enye into nje engayikhuluma there's unumber 9 weTS Galaxy. I feel like Gambobani
Mlungu
umshilo man bothi kunovi
abona uCovid abobani bani yabona laba babuya ngale base ngeskepe
so ngicabanga ukuthi umdlalo ofana nayo lo uyena nje ukuthi ulimaze iTS Galaxy kakhulu because khona nje uthola ama-opportunity if I'm not mistaken I3 and which is bekumele nje lama opportunity lawa ukuthi watholile bekumele wasebenzisile mhlambe kube sikhuluma iscore is different.
Okay.
So
man yazi kunento ekhona ukuthi i-red card bakhostile, but one thing that happened kule game, I think it was 57 seconds baconsidered, so score it was already 1-0 by then and bebaphelele. So ingakho bengibuza ukuthi what went wrong kahle because of i-game plan eTS Galaxy like paper 1 ne-game plan eTS Galaxy paper 2 it's different. As much as bebafuna ukubamba iSundowns nge-counter nani bokhala nge-formation eMamelodi Sundowns, but still ayikwazanga ukuthi the way isebenze ngakhona. So are we saying ukuthi iSundowns are they that good or perhaps something went wrong kahle ngeTS Galaxy?
Njengoba bengisho ukuthi let's give credit to the technical team yeSundowns ne coach ngiyiphinda futhi le. Ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach okwazile ne technical team yakhe ubuyele emuva ba analyze igame ukuthi webay sikwazi ukuyidlala neTS Galaxy. So emuva nje ukuthi uMr Rave akwazi ashaya impempe yakhe iTS Galaxy bebaze ngalenhloso leyo ukuthi we're gonna defend then so babamba ngecounter. That's whereby thina ukuthi whereby senze sipressa khona phambili khona si-add number phambili ne-intensity yegame yethu esikwazi ukuthi ibe high mabathi mabazosi-attack. That's whereby ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach ukwazi ukuthatha udrifta uMalibongwe Khoza amdlalisa i-right back then uma uThapelo Mrena uyamadrapa for me
excellent.
Excellent.
Adams
angafiki la sakhuluma nje ngomrena yeah that's why by coach ukwazi la pusha uthapela umatrapa umrena amletha la emidlelini ukuze nathi sikwazi ukugcwala la emidlelini but then makahamba ayaphambili uzokwazi ukudropa futhi akwazi ukusimakela but then bengiyibona idangerous lento leyo because I felt like uMalibonge Khoza akekho comfortable enough on that position because if ungabheka even the first goal ukuthi TX Galaxy ikorile ivele ngaside lakhe and nalo mlungu lona uthe uba Nikovic so ngiyacabanga ukuthi next time sokwazi ukulibamba igama lampowethu lapha yana so ngiyacabanga ukuthi nama goal ukuthi bekumele siwa concede ezimamelodi Sundowns bekumele avele from lelo side la kaMalibonge Khoza but then coach after 30 minutes first half ngicabanga ukuthi uyibonile lento le athi Mrena nele asenza izinto zethu zibe simple alende wena uzobuya usedele la emidlelini then wena uzokwazi ukuya overlap but then ubuye phinde usimake umrena but then uthathila eda alende ukuthi akabuyeze la sangithi ukucoach into bekayifuna ukuthi sikhona ukuba baningi emidlelini
esiswini akhathe ama counter attack walabantu laba
otherwise nje iTX Galaxy nje kubuyela kuyona ilethe down nje amanye ama player whereby let me give credit to the number 6 yabo number 6 yabo if I'm not mistaken uShongo number 2 Shongo umnandi kakhulu yabona ukuthi nje bekushota nje ngabadlali nje ukuthi whereby angakwazi ukudlala nabo
no but maybe ke kwenza ukuthi baphatheka baze bajabula kakhulu last ba celebrate the whole night stadium
ngizwile usho ukuthi abalala kanokulala
obvious bashaya iMamelodi Sundowns in fact bashaya like South Africa yonke but ke okay yazi mfoka baba kunenye into iSundowns managed to score amagoli awu4 namhlanje what's your take on uShalulile mfoka baba nanokuthi ke ukwazi ukuthi azadlale i90 minutes because sibone ukuthi ucoach akhipha oRenas engibone ngathi uye bekangcono nanokuthi bekangathola igoli lakhe lesithathu mhlawumbe yabona ukuthi akhuphuke naye lapha yana so uyibone kanjani ngendaba kaShalulile
ngiyacabanga ukuthi abadlali abafana nabo Shalulile they've been there for iMamelodi Sundowns kwasecaleni but he's been giving us ama goals umfo yabo so ngicabanga ukuthi kwesikhathini esiningi futhi enye into huyu umfowethu ukuthi ubuya motivate amajita even though nanoma ukuthi spirit sethu siphansi so ngicabanga ukuthi namhlanje it was lento leya ukuthi akakwazanga ukusinika lento besifuna uShalulile bekumele nje uscorele 5 goals if 5 goals iphelele nje 5 so coach ngiyacabanga ukuthi kube lento leya ukuthi yazini let us keep him
mhlambe ile la box lo Manchester lawa goals awaseka amele box lo Manchester okay and then the other thing as a skesa to kuyithinta igame njengoba sezophela sibona iSundowns leader 4 and then ba comfortable isikhathi sesisele sincane but still asiziboni into zabo ma showboating nanani basalibamba bazama ukuphusha baya phambili and then uthini is it because of maybe Mamelodi Sundowns is it matured enough or perhaps ba adopted the European style more than team njengabo the likes of Orlando Pirates abo Tito Masangane ubona bomfundo Vilakazi baligibela mangabe Chiefs leader or even if noma bangathi ay lead but ke makatholi opportunity ukuchera ama fans kancane so what's your take on Mamelodi Sundowns and their style of play
ngiyacabanga ukuthi ayithina the Yellow Nation mfethu kuyibeka nje icace nje our style of play ukuyidlala mfethu kwasecaleni nje since saphethe nje yabo coach Pete ukuyidlala yasi philosophy lokugibelana nebhola ngiyacabanga ukuthi kubuyela nje kulomfana lo uJaden Adams ubonile uye ukuthi ucoach second half njengoba bakazokusiphumuzela nje abadlali abafana nabo Ribeiro Alende nabo Renas ngiyacabanga ubaphumuzela igame ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi siyakuya so utshela Adams ukuthi mfethu mamela wena uzoba inumber 6 yethu umkwena umuntu ukuthi ukwazi ukushayela ibox to box wena uzosenzela izinto ezibelula because ucomfortable kakhulu ebholweni uzoyidlala ayombonile abafethu
ngibona ushayizana
hayi talent hayi talent lo mfana lo ya ufike ku Mamelodi Sundowns afeature like a club
ne
like a club bambu umbonile na
hayi no ngimbonile yazi mfoka baba singakhuluma ngeSundowns ubusuku bonke so anyway angazi nayi weekend enkulu yeza mfoka baba put your head on the block baba uthini ubonani
hayi angifuni nje ukucela kakhulu kuleyo ngoba nje khona nje into ezoyenzeka angazi kuzana but then ngithanda nje ithi ngibonge iphethini ukuthi ucoach kwamanje information ukuthi uyayimplement I don't know ukuthi kuyimanje ngibonile ukuthi ama player ukuthi abafana nabo Mdiba bebangaphandle I don't know ukuthi egamini ukuthi sizoyi approach kuyimanje ukuthi uzobadlalisa okay kanjani asazi sizozama but then iapproach yakhe egame otherwise yanamhlanje nje yayi 100 mnika nje 100%.
So with the personalized sebenzisile or information style because ngizokhala kancane ukuthi hey man angeke phela ngeke sidlale ngabantu abayi3
hayi information ukuthi is approach ngayi game I wasn't sure ngayo but then after njengoba bengisho ukuthi alungise lento lesho ukuthi uyibonile ne-technical team yakhe ukuthi there's something ukuthi iyaleka on this side athi silungise lento le after 30 minutes that's why after is consider goal that's why by from lapho abantu laba azange basaba dangerous khona kakhulu
I know let's give credit then go coach Khaduso
akabuyelo
kabuyelo
asolala kamnandi
hayi asibonge bafethu sibonge isikhathi sithembe ukuthi nizosilandela lapho kuyo YouTube ni subscribe bafethu no man angeke asintwe kadi yangwana bethe musi subscribe clickeni nje bafethu subscribe si commenteni kube mnandi bafethu yabona asibonge iTimeline Radio Sports lena uDumsane uhamba no MQ.
Thank you.